Okay, so okay, thank God one student more came. Okay, class. So let's start our lecture. Today we have to do activity sheet number 6, English B. Everyone, please open activity sheet number 6, English B right now. Okay. So identifying adjectives. Today we have to read about or do
Teacher,
the
English
exercise.
B.
Yes. English B, activity sheet number 6. Everyone open English B activity sheet number 6. Done? Okay. So adjectives describe nouns. We all know that adjectives describe nouns, and they give information about something or someone that we can discover with our senses. They give information about something or someone that we can discover with our senses. They tell how she, he, it looks, feels, sounds, smells, or tastes. So adjectives describes us how it seems, how they feel, how they look like, how the thing sounds, how we can see it. Okay, class? So let's see now. Read the sentences, circle the adjectives on the line after the sentence, write the noun that is being described. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने यहाँ से क्या करना है, इस सेंटेंस में हमने एडजेक्टिव्स को हमने सर्कल करना है और एडजेक्टिव जिस नाउन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है वो नाउन हमने ब्लैंक में लिखना है. ओके क्लास? सो नंबर 1, द popsicles the children at were sweet popsicles. So the popsicle children at were sweet. So popsicles are basically the noun. Okay, number 2. Everyone come to number 2. Victoria wore her frilly dress to the party. Victoria wore her frilly dress to the party. So tell me what is adjective here? यहाँ पर adjective क्या है? Frilly adjective है. So everyone, freely को आपने सर्कल करना. फ्रीली ड्रेस टू द पार्टी, आई थिंक हमने ये पहले शायद कर लिया. फ्रीली को आप सर्कल करें.
हमने पहले शीट कर ली है.
चलो, टुडे वी कैन रिवाइज इट. So here freely is adjective and dress is noun. Dress is a noun. So dress आपने blank में लिखना है. Okay. So Victoria wore her okay. Scott and Kenny played an awesome video game. So what is the adjective? हमने ये पहले कर लिया ना. Now you can tell me. आप मुझे बताएं. Yes, everyone. So first is played awesome. Awesome is an adjective. Circle awesome. And game is basically the noun. Done? Bye. Done, everyone? So next. Our cousins drove her in their an ancient car. Our cousins drove her in their ancient car. So drove here in their ancient is an adjective, circle ancient. And car is a noun, so car आपने यहाँ पर लिख देना. Done, all of you? Okay, next. The dirty laundry was piled up on the floor. The dirty laundry was piled up on the floor. Dirty is an adjective, laundry is a noun. So you will write laundry in the blank. Okay, class? Next. Our ferocious dog bared its teeth at the intruder. So ferocious is an adjective, circle ferocious, and dog is a noun that it's presenting to. Okay, class? So let's focus. Okay, next. Next, we have the box up on the shelf was dusty. So dusty is adjective, box is a noun. So dusty you will circle and box you will write. The towels had a nice smell. The towels had a nice smell after hanging in the sun. Has a nice smell. So nice is a adjective and smell is a noun. Jimmy's hat has a wide brim. So Jimmy's hat has a wide brim. So wide is an adjective. Her cousin is a fast swimmer. So her cousin is a fast swimmer. So what is fast? Fast is an adjective and swimmer is a noun. Okay, class? Okay, so here the animal in the zoo were hungry. The animals in the zoo were hungry. So here, hungry is, I think, adjective, and animals are noun. After walking all day, his feet were tired. After walking all day, his feet were tired. So, tired is an adjective and feet noun. She couldn't believe what a boring day it was. She couldn't believe what a boring day it was. Boring is an adjective, day is a noun. I ran a comb through my straight hair. I ran a comb through my straight hair. So straight is adjective, hair is a noun. The house is majestic on the hillside. Majestic is adjective, house is a noun. Carrie's shoes are uncomfortable. Carrie's shoes are uncomfortable. Uncomfortable is an adjective, shoes is noun. Disneyland is a magical place for children. Magical is an adjective, place is a noun. Intelligent student pay attention in class. Intelligent student pay attention in class. Intelligent is an adjective, student is a noun. So only 2 students are present today. Why students didn't come today in class? So now come to activity sheet number 7. Let's come to activity sheet number 7. Adjectives ending with ed and ing. Circle the appropriate form of adjectives. So we have to see which adjective is right, ing adjective or ed adjective. I was disappointing with the film. I had expected it to be better. I was disappointing or disappointed with the film. I was disappointed. So circle disappointed. Okay, class? Done, everyone? Are you interested or interesting in football? Are you interested or interesting in football? Interested. We use are you interested in football? Circle interested. Interested is the right option. Okay, next. The weather is depressed or depressing. The weather is depressed. Weather cannot be depressed. Only human being can be depressed. So weather is depressing. Okay, class? So the weather is depressing. Okay. Um, Diana Diana teaches young children, and by the end of the day, she is exhausted or exhausting. Exhausted. Circle exhausted. Done.
टीचर कौन सा पेज करवा रही है?
Sheet number 7.
टीचर मैंने किया भी नहीं हुआ.
You haven't done it. आपने ये नहीं किया.
टीचर किया हुआ है.
Okay. So जिसने किया हुआ है ठीक है. जिसने नहीं किया हुआ है, they can recheck it. Okay. So let's see. Next. It was an amused or amusing story. It was an amused story? No, amusing story. Circle amusing. Okay, next. Working all day is tired or tiring. सारा दिन काम करना टायर्ड होता है कि टायरिंग होता है? थका देने वाला होता है या थक जाता है काम? थका देने वाला होता है. So it's tiring. Circle tiring. Oh God, I forgot. Next. Next we have working. Okay, the finding of the report were confusing or confused. The findings of the report were confusing or confused. Confusing. So circle confusing. He was shocking when he heard about the earthquake. He was shocked or shocking. He was shocked. He came in shock when he heard about the earthquake. Sarah felt very embarrassed or embarrassing when she forgot to do her assignment. Sarah felt very embarrassed or embarrassing. Embarrassed. Okay, class? Next. Here, okay. Number 10. The meals at this place are satisfied or satisfying? Satisfying. So you will circle satisfying. Okay, what is boring for you? So we have to write what is boring for you. Boring. I remember that we have done this. We have done these 2 pages, but in the diary they have asked us to do it again. So that's why we are doing. So what is boring for you? Doing something like staying at home and reading books is boring for us. You can write any reason that is boring for you.
जब मैंने ये
आपने क्या लिखा? What have you written? Yes. When are you annoyed? When are you annoyed? We are annoyed when someone teases us or someone doesn't care about us. Okay. Next. Do you know anyone who is always relaxed? Do you know anyone who is always relaxed? I know in my home, my sister is sometimes relaxed, but sometimes she is annoyed also. So, next, what is relaxing for you? Relaxing for us is exercising or sitting in gardens and take a long breath or take a fresh air is freshening or relaxing for us. Okay, class. So, any questions that you want to ask? Only one student is present. Yes, class. So, no questions? Okay, class. If we have no questions, then I will take your leave now. And only Fatima but and one student were also present. I don't know who was that. Fatima but and or Tahan was present.
My name is Fatima from AIT.
Fatima, wait a minute. Uh, grade 3 English attendance.
AIT.
Fatima Abu Bakr.
It is Fatima Nadeem.
Okay. Okay, so second student भी present था ना वो कौन who was that? I don't know who was that. Okay, so now I'll take your leave. We just had to do 2 questions, so I'm going to stop the recording and I'll see you next time.